In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Gemini Canvas feature. This tool can be a real game changer in enhancing your productivity and creativity. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to open Google Gemini. If you haven't done so already, make sure it's properly installed and updated to the latest version. This ensures you have access to all the new features and tools it offers. Once Google Gemini is open, you should see a familiar interface if you've used it before. If not, don't worry. It's intuitive and user-friendly, and I'll guide you through it. Next, take a look at the prompt bar, which is usually located at the top of the screen. In this area, you'll see various options that help you maximize the usage of this tool. For our purpose, you want to click on the Tools option. This is where you begin to harness the potential of Google Gemini for your projects or presentations. Clicking on Tools opens up a variety of features that Google Gemini offers. Once in the Tools section, you'll need to select Canvas from the options presented. Canvas is Google Gemini's versatile workspace that allows you to create and edit more interactively. It's designed to be intuitive, so with just a bit of familiarization, you'll find it a breeze to use. Just a quick tip, if you're using Canvas for the first time, take a moment to explore its interface and settings to better understand its functionalities. Now that you've selected Canvas, the next step is to enter your initial prompt. Consider what you want to accomplish with the Canvas tool. Are you brainstorming new ideas, drafting a presentation, or maybe delving into something more creative? Type your thoughts or the project details in the prompt area. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for what you'll be working on. Take your time to frame your prompt in a way that best captures your project's essence. Once you've entered your prompt, Canvas will transform into your workspace. Here, you'll find it incredibly interactive. You can add, edit, or rearrange content as you see fit. Feel free to move things around, insert new components, or make changes to your existing work. The interactive nature of the canvas makes it very easy to visualize your ideas and bring them to life. Finally, after you're satisfied with your work, it's time to export it. Google Gemini makes it simple to export your Canvas creations, allowing you to share them with others or save them for future reference. Depending on your needs, you can export as a file or directly share it with collaborators or teams. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can effectively use the Google Gemini Canvas feature to enhance your projects and capture your ideas efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.